We have also presented the name of Raila Odinga as the candidate for the AUC chair. He's well known to all the countries and all the participants here, and it was resolved that the Council of Ministers or the regional interministerial committee takes note of his candidacy since he was the only one who was presented at this as we await the elections of the AUC chair in February next year. Equally, if there were other candidates, that has also been resolved that they take note and it will be dealt with in the course of next year. Well, I think, first of all, let me say that this has been a very important conference because the ILGCR is a very important entity that focuses on peace and security related issues in the region. It's a 12-member organization, 12-state member organization. And what has happened is we have had an opportunity to look at various reports, including peace and security reports, women-related reports, issues on the youth report, and in the process we have also come to the conclusion that early next year there should be the summit of this organization so that the current chair, which is Angola, can hand over to the next nation or to the next head of state. And it has been basically agreed that BC and DRC will go and have a conversation so that one of them can then assume the chairmanship of the organization after Angola. But we also need to note that the term of the executive secretary of this organization has also come to an end. There were candidates who presented themselves from Zambia, from Congo, and Central African Republic. Now it has been resolved that there will be a panel of all nations, of the countries that don't have a candidate, which will be led by the principal secretaries or the permanent secretaries, to finally evaluate the candidacies of those and make a recommendation back to the ministers, who will then submit it with the recommendations to the heads of state summit by early February next year.